Squeezing the power now, that's good. Squeeze the power more. Oh, keep it going. Lovely. Lift off the accelerator. Oh, brake. Good. Doing well. And full power, Lucas. Full power. Right, so. And what's the power now? Good, isn't it?
Yes.
Lift, turn in. That is perfect. Great job here. Great job. Alright. Gently back to the left, look. Squeeze on.
And starting to hit the power back up. Back to the left, squeeze the power now, over to the right, keep a bit of power on. Good, keep the power on, keep going, a bit more off the power, hard on the brakes.
Straighten the wheel, a little bit of gas, round to the right, squeeze and straighten up, go, brake. Lovely job, off the brake.